she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. She'll make you curse.
Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Today I just wanted to show you the result of my new bumper design for BMW E67 2010. It's actually BMW 5 Series, and this is actually a reference file that I got from somewhere, and here's the new bumper I just designed. The very first bumper doesn't look like this. Let me just show you that. It was actually like, yeah, let me just show you here. It was like this actually, and yeah, this is actually the very first design of BMW 5 Series, but I just created a new version for this. Where is it? Layer 7 here. And I just got some render shots from the front and rear view because I just added the rear diffuser too. This is also a new design, which is actually fit to the mold and the body, and everything looks very good. Let me just show you the result of my work in render shots. It's here right now. This is the new bumper that I just designed for this BMW. I just added materials in Keyshot. Well, if you want to learn Keyshot rendering, just check out our Keyshot rendering course at learn.ms3d.net. And here's the front bumper that I just designed or rendered. And you see it looks very good right now, but this is not actually a screenshot because I didn't have enough time to render that. I really like this reflection because it's actually very beautiful. Let me just show you on the Alias mode. Here, the reflection looks very good. I just wanted to have kind of this reflection here. And it's definitely a subdivision mode. And if I change the points, this is the points here in max mode shading, and it's actually a good detailed mode because I just added some fillets here and there, so it looks very good here. So yeah, this reflection is actually my dream, to create a kind of this reflection here, starting from the light bulb and ending here. And yeah, I'm very impressed at the results. But the result is actually not very interesting in design, definitely, because I didn't wanted to just design a very interesting thing. I just wanted to show you how can you create new bumper design, for example, your ideas on an existed mode, for example. I have to work on the side scare too, and maybe I'll record a share it here. So I have some more render shots here from the front bumper. Yeah, there's the front bumper, the wheel in another view. You see this beautiful character line here. I really love that because it's actually trending, the trending line. And here the back diffuser, which actually looks very interesting here. But here in this render, I didn't scale that up, and after that, after I got this screenshot, I just scaled that up, and this happened because this is actually very beautiful than the last one. Okay, so this is actually the very first version of this BMW, and this is actually the new bumper. This is actually very beautiful, and this is a very interesting shot that I got in key shots from my new design. And here you see the white version. I really like that, but I have to add a side skirt too here. I just created the full body in Subdi. In our last videos, you just watched the subdivision mode, the full subdivision mode of this BMW with shot lines, etc. But yeah, I have to just create a very interesting thing. Let me just create that very, very fast. Is this possible to create a Subdi right now very fast as the side is here? I just want to create something very, very initial. Yep, here. Okay. I have to check it from the side because I want to have an actual. Let me just check if this is passing. Yeah, it's okay. But a little bit more maybe. Yeah. I want to move it inside. And also this one. Yeah, then I have to just select edges in order to fillet travel here. One. Okay. Looks good for the start. And then I have to close this. I can do a special thing. I will. Kind of this maybe. And same for here. The other side. And battle right here. It's same setting. Okay. Looks good. This is actually a simple one. I just wanted to show you how to create that Subdi. It's actually easy, but you know, there are some special tricks in order to improve the quality of this subdivision mode. In order to learn that, you can just check out our RSQA subdivision mode at learn.ms3d.net. We have a very good course for that. And yeah, it looks good enough right now. I just have to add that to this layer in order to have symmetry. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I have to just move it inside because this is too much. And maybe a new line here. And a center line right here, for example, and 0.5. And I want to add this center, move this center line to a little bit more. Do the reflection, or maybe inside. 2 more. 0.5, 0.5 at the center. And here another 2.5. I want to pick this and this one, and just try to move them. Okay, let me just check it from this view. It looks much better now. You know, we have a kind of failure line here. It's not fading yet. Let me just increase the color scale. Now I can work on that much better. Yeah. Now it's all okay. It's actually fading. Great. I want to add a reference of black material. Yeah, that's great. Just a simple one in order to show you how to create this. You know, I just created both of these with subdivision faces, and also this one, both of them, with all the objects on. Great. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.